what's up? G2P Angler Jason Reese here with my friend Chris Frazier, Big Joe. We're heading out of Hillsborough Inlet this morning. It is late April and it is the air show, so probably gonna get some noise from these jets flying over this morning, but it'll make it a little more entertaining while we're out there trolling. We're gonna head out this morning with little Islander type lure on the shotgun. We got two different feathers, tuna tacos going out on the outriggers, blue on one side, pink on the other. GiA&x Minnow 200 going out close to the boat, and a number 4/6 planer going out on the other side. So 5 line spread to start with, and we are going to probably go to either kite fishing. They didn't have gogs at the marina, so there's a good chance that we might wind up either doing some bottom fishing or just trying to even kite fish a couple of pilchards out. We're gonna go out there and see what we can get into. Alright guys, a lot of questions on the inline planer, so I'm going to show you guys that, but I want to get one thing straight. So before I was telling you I was making my own bonita strips, and I had them for the last year, and they worked pretty good, but I wasn't salting them, so I noticed that they only lasted maybe 45 minutes to an hour at most, where if you buy these ones that are kind of already pre-done from the base, these are from a real deal tackle, they last a lot longer. So I'm going to start buying, or I'm going to start salting them afterwards. But I'll show you kind of how we do this. So again, we got about a half-ounce sea witch on here, a little squid with some mylar flash, big long shank hook with some wire, big ball bearing swivels. That way if we get anything big, we're still covered. And you poke a little hole here for the wire to go through. Make sure the barb doesn't go through it. And once you hook that onto the wire, you have an idea of where this bait is going to bottom out at. So I mark it with my thumb, and I come back in carefully. At $4 a strip, you don't really want to be messing your baits up here. You want to make sure that you're still making the most of this here. So I'm going to show you how we deploy it. Get down, that's how it'll look. Water will wash over it, nice profile. Drop it in, we've got 100 feet of 60-pound pink mono here going out. The straight, Frazier? What's that? The straight? Alright, so I've tried a whole bunch of these different inline bridles, and this one's my favorite. So I've got a bimini twist tied to tied to the bridle here. This cord goes in here. Then you've got the 4/6 planer. It's a 4 plate planer with a 6-ounce weight. I like these. And you've got to put this cut-off snap swivel right in the hole there on the bridle side. And do the same for this one. So that's how it's going to look going out. Now, based on where this one's going, this is a little bit of a smaller planer, so I'm going to give it a 30-second count. 30 seconds later. I'm going to lock it up now. Now what I'm going to do is grab some of this line, bring it up, and as I lock the reel into place, I'm going to bring this slack to about hip level and make sure it's clear. Now focus on the rod tip, let that go, and now that planer's set. And when it gets bit, the planer will pull straight, and this rod tip will pop up. Then we'll get the GiA&x set up, we'll have our full 5-line spread out. First fish of the day! Spoiler alert, we're about to catch a bunch of fish, so I'm going to do a bunch of fast forwarding for this one. This is in 170 feet of water just north of Hillsborough Inlet because we had just left Hillsborough Inlet deploying the spread. This is going to be a tuna or a bonita. Nice! Getting into a school of them. Nobody's driving the boat. It's a bonita. Alright, we'll come back to this one in a minute. Turn around, get him. Look around, he's on. I got wheel. 2, triple hookup. Guess what, Joe? No more time for filming, you're on.
All right.
We're on the other side there. Yeah, 3 on. It's possible they're all bonita, but that's all right. That's another bonita. A little closer. Okay. We got 3 on the boat. Whatever it is not huge. But that's all right. We'll take it. Could be another bonita. How deep are we again? I think the shotgun's going off. I can see it getting bit. Someone got the shotgun.
This right here?
Yep. I think this will be another bonita. Bites number 4 and 5.
I didn't feel like I got any wires.
Well, I was thinking they didn't have any gogs for sale, but this bonita's close. That'll be a great bait later on. All right, we had another double hookup. At this point, it's still early, and we're out in about 250 feet of water between Hillsborough and Boca Inlet. More bonita, damn it. We're catching fish, we can't complain about it, but much rather see those be blackfin.
They can sell your bonitas.
We worked too hard for our fish to sell them.
Yeah, right.
Wasn't finished cleaning up yet from the last batch. This looks bigger. A little more, stop. 2 more bonita, good size. All right, we're 6 for 7 so far on bonita only. Be number 8. Yes. Well, our 7th bonita. So we've got 9 bonitas in the box, and we just doubled up again. How deep are we? 193, just north of Boca Inlet. As much as we don't want to catch bonita, I would bet $100 that's what we have 2 more of right now. But it's supposed to not be the bonita season, but we'll at least get some baits to hold us over for the next month. It's number 10, which means I have number 11.
There you go.
11 bonita and nothing else so far. Somebody catch fish by number 14.
I know.
So we thought there might be some blackfin tuna out today, so we've definitely leaned into like some lighter feathers and trying to pick up some tuna bites, but all we've got so far is bonita. We're 170 feet of water, about halfway to Del Rey between Boca. I think it's maybe the biggest one yet, though. All right, we're back up to 270. Just caught our 14th bonita. So we're hoping that this is not a bonita. The planer got triggered. and it seemed like a decent hit at first. So hoping it's not a bonita out here. We are still south of Del Rey, north of Boca. We've been picking up bonita everywhere from 140 to 250, so we were hoping to have something different this time. It's hard to say what that is so far. I don't know, guys. I think it's another bonita. That's our biggest bonita yet, but still more bonita. On planer, when the outrigger went off again, these feathers have been on fire. Or 165, trying to head back in shallow. We're trying to find maybe a rip between the blue and green water here to get away from the bonita, get something else. But anybody want to bet it's not a bonita? I'll take that bet all day, 2-to-1 odds. Sucker bet. Uh-oh, shotgun's about to go off. Definitely just got hit, yeah. Shotgun's on. Joe, you're up.
Shotgun again.
Yep, the long bait's the shotgun. Here you go. Here you go. It's like our 4th or 5th double hookup of the day. 152. Here, let me turn this. I love that we give Joe the shotgun every time.
I'm
He's gonna stand at the front of the boat. You got it? You flip that one in? Yeah. All right, number 15 bonita. Decent sized one again. Which means Joe probably has number 16. Keep it out of the props. I'll go to your left or somewhere. Just keep it out of the props.
Come over here, Joe. Over to your left, over to your left. Not exactly like I planned.
We got 15 in the boat. One more crank. There you go. Hold on. Oh, wait. Right there. It feels a little bit heavier. Hopefully we got something else other than a bonita on here. $16 bonita in the box and no one's touched the gaff yet. It's staying low. I hope it's, oh my God, it's another bonita. Bring it in. All right, Joe, back to trolling speed. I mean, get a workout in. Knocked down on the outrigger, 165 between Del Rey and Boynton, approaching, getting closer to Boynton Inlet here, just south of the inlet.
Let's slow it down a little bit. I'm not getting any traction on it.
All right. Why is it in the gunnel still?
Good.
Mr. CrossFit, get it out and fight. Up, shotgun's going off too. All right. Joe already got the shotgun in? Come on, Frazier. What are you doing over there?
I gotta be honest, this is probably the weakest one I've had though.
It's another bonita. You gotta be kidding me. Doesn't matter what depth we go to, we just keep finding them. All the way from like 120 all the way out to 300. You got it? You're gonna be an old pro at this, Joe. All right. Well, we know what Fraser's is now. It's to stay to the right of that line, go up and over. You flip it in? You give us some slack. That's a beefy one. Yep, 2 more. There's our record for tied the record at 18. 18 bonita. We just get the lines back out. Finally, we got Joe hooked up on something better here. We just came out of the water looking great on the shotgun. Picked off that last Islander looking lure. So we're in 200 feet of water, just off of Boynton here. Whoa, look at that! Nice. That's a mahi. That kind of acrobatics? Yeah, or it's a sailfish even. That's a sail!
Nice!
Yeah.
Awesome!
That's epic. Nice and smooth. If he needs to take a run, let him take a run. We're not going to force this one in. Joe's done a good job of horsing in the last couple of big bonitas off the shotgun. He hates to even grab the shotgun reel anymore, but this time it's working out. It's okay. If he's taking line, let him take it. This isn't going to be like one of those 3-minute bonita fights here.
If you need to swap out, Joe, let us know.
Yeah, remember, he's only no, oh shit, okay, hold on.
That's what I'm saying, yeah.
We're about to get spooled. Hold on. Oh shit, Fraser, start bringing him to the line.
What's that?
He's going on a huge run.
Do what?
We're about to get spooled.
When we...
Whoa, it's hot. Hold on, we gotta bring this in, I'm gonna start reversing. Start reeling in this line, starting with this one.
Start this one?
We gotta chase this fish down. Oh no, we're gonna get spooled. Reel it in, real fast as you can. So we were able to chase this sailfish down. Unfortunately, we did tangle some lines in the process, and after a few more minutes of Joe fighting it, we did lose the fish. It got off, and sometimes that's how it goes, and that's fishing, but that was a tough one, and all we had was this terrible sideways seat GoPro footage to show for it. All right, so we kind of had to abruptly come in, kind of out of nowhere, a high wind advisory, definitely higher than forecast today. Whipped seas up out there pretty fast, so pretty uncomfortable ride back from Lantana down to Boca Inlet where we ducked in. But we didn't get a chance to do any kite fishing or any bottom fishing after we were done trolling. We ironically were wondering if we'd have enough wind for kite fishing, and it wound up being like super windy out there. So we wound up with 19 bonita. I think I'm gonna like recount the fish blocks when we get back, and one sailfish that we only got halfway back to the boat before it came off the shotgun. But overall, good day. Appreciate my good friends Fraser, Big Joe, spending the day with you guys. So I'm back from Hawaii now, so I'll probably be getting out about once a week or so again. So thanks for watching.